Hello everybody, welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. In this video, I'm going to give you the recipe that I use to make caramel colored cold porcelain clay or caramel colored air dry clay. So I'm going to give you my recipe, I'm going to give you my trade secret. So I'm going to show you the materials that you're going to need and the ingredients. So you're going to need measuring spoons, you're going to need 1 cup, measuring cup, and 1 cup of clay. You're going to need caramel colored food coloring. You're going to need red food coloring and 1 cup of clay. So before I show you the recipe, will you please like my video and subscribe to my channel because I like to be liked. So here's the recipe. Brown or caramel colored clay takes 2 teaspoons of caramel food coloring, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red food coloring, and 1 cup of clay. So that's the recipe that I use to make caramel colored clay. Here's 2 tips to keep in mind about caramel colored clay. Tip number 1, it will darken a little bit as it air dries. So keep that in mind when you're working with your projects, that it will darken just a little bit. And tip number 2 is, now this colored clay is comparable to Fimo Caramel number 7. And the price difference between caramel number 7 is $2.99, for a 2-ounce square block versus 50 cents a square block for a 2-ounce block. So instead of costing me $12 or $13 for 1 cup of clay, it cost me $2. So keep that in mind. Well, thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!